Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Do you have old wooden scraps laying around? Don't throw them away. With a little creativity and a few tools, you can turn that wood into beautiful homes, decor, and furniture. Even better, you can sell your project for extra cash. In this video, we will show you how to turn scrap wood into profit one project at a time. Simple decor ideas. Let's start with easy decor ideas. Scraps wood can be turned into picture frames, shelves, or rustic signs. Just stand the wood stains and paint it, and add some lettering or hooks. These are always in demands at local markets and online shops like Etsy. You can also make wooden candles holders and planters boxes. They are super popular and easy to build. With small scraps, use different shapes and finishes to create variety. Small furniture projects ready for something a little bigger. Try building small furnitures like side tables, stools, or benches. Use soft leftover planks or pallets. Wood just measures, cut, and assemble. People love handmade, rustic style furniture, and especially if it's compact for small spaces. Add simple touches like metals, handles, or paint them in trendy colors. You will be surprised how much people are willing to pay for a custom piece. Tips for selling. Now let's talk profit. Take great photos of your projects with good lighting. List them on Facebook, marketing, marketplace, Etsy, or Instagram. Offer local delivery or pickup to save on shipping. You can also sell at craft fairs, flea markets, or partners with local home decors stores. Make sure to price your work based on time, materials, or and uniqueness. Even small decor pieces can bring in steady cash when sold in sets or bundles. Tools safety. You don't need fancy tools to get started. A saw, drill, sander, or wood glue will go a long way if you are new to dye. Start with basic cut and build your skills over time. Always wear safety gear, gloves, goggles, and a dust mask when sanding or cutting. And remember, practice makes perfect. Each project helps you learn and improve. So next time you will see a pile of wood scraps, think opportunity, not trash. Whether it's a home decor or handmade furnitures, you can turn simple wood into cash. Get creative, start small, and build your way up. Thanks for watching and happy building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.